Thousands of Arizonans receiving unemployment benefits have a decision to make. The state is offering a $2,000 bonus to those willing to enter the workforce again. Not only that, but you can get help with childcare. Joe Dana explains how the program works and why it's not such an easy decision for some.
The Back to Work program, laid out by the governor earlier this month, provides $2,000 for those who return to work full-time for at least 2 months, and $1,000 for those who return part-time. For Jennifer and her 6-year-old daughter Jayla, it's been a year of staying home and going stir crazy.
I would feel more comfortable if I had a relative that lived in the state that could watch her for me, but I don't. My closest relative is in Texas.
The office administrator was laid off early on in the pandemic. As a single mom, she's received some unemployment insurance from the state, but she admits she doesn't like the stigma associated with government help.
When you're calling them, you feel like a pariah. I've been working since I was 16 years old and I'm going to be 36. It's the best word to describe it is humbling because I've never been one to ask anybody for anything.
Now the state is offering people like Jennifer an incentive to leave the unemployment rolls and return to the workforce. But Jennifer says it's not that simple. She's not comfortable leaving her daughter in childcare yet.
The state is holding a big carrot in front of you to say if you go back to work, you have the chance to get a $1,000 or a $2,000 bonus. Does that play a role in your decision to go back?
No, because it's just money. You know, money is not more important than my daughter. We still need people that need to get vaccinated. We still don't have a vaccine for children.
A vaccine likely won't be available for kids under 12 until at least the fall or early 2022. According to the CDC, the risk of a child getting seriously ill from COVID-19 is extremely low compared to adults, but a risk nonetheless. State House Representative Mitzi Epstein says the Back to Work program may not work for parents with child care needs.
There are just not nearly as many child care providers out there as there were before the pandemic. And if you add to that the complexity of, is my child going to be safe in child care? Parents are faced with really serious questions.
For now, Jennifer will pass on the state's offer for help. But as businesses get crowded again, the state's hoping thousands of other Arizonans take up the offer.
I hope that the plan works to incentivize some people to take a job if it's safe.
The state's also offering a 3-month child care subsidy for those who return to work. Details haven't been worked out yet. You can find details on the Back to Work program in this story at 12news.com and at the DES website. Joe Dana, 12 News.
Joe, thank you.